see my face right now. But right now we're looking or putting batteries and memory cards back into the cameras. They've been out since last time we checked them. I haven't put any of them out since. So I gotta refresh up the batteries, and while we're at it, see if we can take down some squirrels. This is a camera that we call a large or small pond. It's over looking at this cornfield right here. So, yep. On the way into the property, I saw one doe already. So, yeah. Look at that. The camera stands up here. Let's get to it. Just got done with that camera. Time. Head back to the car and drive to the next set of cameras. And then that's where the real hike comes in. This camera, and I got a few other cameras up here that I've already done that were simple, because you can drive pretty much right up to them. So the next few are going to be harder because you can't drive up to them, so you get a hike, which I'm fine with. I'll give them my cardio for the day, and I get to look for sheds. So, yeah. And hopefully hunt some squirrels. There's the car. That's one. Let's go get it. you guys a few more. To a different camera. So there's three cameras here. Basically, tree stands. That's one of them. That's the one I usually shoot my bucks out of. This is another one. This is one I usually bow hunt out of. So overlooking this little field. You guys seen that in videos before, but it overlooks it. And it's just a little 12-foot single man I just sit on top of. We put trophy rock right here, and it looks like a coyote was in here a few days ago. So hopefully this camera's still working. But this is where I usually hunt for bow, with my bow at least.